Hey, this is Glenn from Digital Synergy, and today I want to do a Groovefunnels review. Plus, I'm going to tell you about a Google and YouTube ranking system worth $997 that you can get absolutely free. So stay tuned. All right, so I want to tell you about Groovepages, which you may also know as Groovefunnels. And honestly, I can tell you there are a ton of applications and it can get quite confusing, so I want to clear things up for you. So the first thing you should know that Groovepages is a website and funnel builder. It is actually just one component of a complete suite of products known as Groovefunnels. And I'll be walking you through all the Groovefunnel apps shortly, and I'll be doing a quick demo of Groovepages just to give you a better look inside of the software and show you a little bit of how it works. Now, the other thing you should know is that you can actually get Groovepages absolutely free right now. There's a link below in the description. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. You just sign up. It's free. There's no catch. It really is free. It's basically a light version of what they call Groovepages Lite, because there is a Groovepages Pro version, and the Pro version obviously gets you everything, all the functionality, unlimited everything. With Groovepages Lite, you do get the same functionality. The only exception is that you are limited to 3 custom domains. So you basically, that's 3 different businesses. You can have 3 different websites, 3 different projects. They're all unlimited funnels within that, but it is limited to just 3, unless you upgrade, of course, which you can do. And right now they actually have a lifetime one-time offer if you want to get Groovepages Pro for just $497. So once you sign up below in the link for free, you'll have that option. All right, so let me just walk you through. When you sign up, you're basically, I've already upgraded myself, so mine's going to have all the functionalities and I have access to everything. So once you log in, this is what you're going to see. As you can see here, there's different sections here. They've got tutorials, they've got a video search engine, there's webinar trainings, they've got a Facebook group, support, and frequently asked questions section as well. They also have what they call Groove Ads. So let me run this down for you on here on your menu on the left here. So when you get here, you're going to see all of these, and right now they are in beta mode, and that's why they're offering the one-time a lifetime fee to get in, and you can actually get in for just Groovepages. You also can get Groovefunnels, which is their entire suite, for a lifetime, for one payment option, and you can get that option when you sign up below for free as well. Again, you don't have to upgrade, you can just sign up for free below. So this is Groovepages, which is basically their website and funnel builder. Now GrooveSell is basically the shopping cart, so where you can basically create products, add funnels, products to your funnels, to the shopping cart. And Groove Affiliate is an affiliate marketing program, and Groove Mail is basically going to be, and all of this is going to work obviously under one roof. So you have one account, and all of this stuff is going to be available to you under Groovefunnels if you get the Groovefunnels deal. Now, when they get out of beta, they're actually going to go into a monthly pricing plan. Right now, you can actually get all of this because they are in beta. Now, that means that not everything's working properly and not everything is available. So that's the trade-off, right? So basically, you can get in now and have access to all their future products, which are these. I'm going to get into that in a second. But for now, we're talking about Groove Mail, and Groove Mail is basically an autoresponder, an email service provider that you would have equivalent to like an Active Campaign or Constant Contact or anything like that. Groove Member is going to be a membership site, so you can create membership sites, paid and free. You can have drip campaigns, courses, all that kind of stuff. Groove Video is going to be similar to a Wistia, and let me just right now that you're just basically going to show you when it's coming. So Groove Video, turn any video basically into a powerful marketing tool with view automations, lead capture, and social sharing to unlock content. So that's pretty cool. So let's go back and let's look at some of their future Groovefunnel applications that are in the works. So the other thing they're going to have is Groove Blog, and Groove Blog is basically going to be their version of WordPress. So again, remember, Groovepages is not just a funnel builder. It's actually, you can build a whole full branded website. And so with this Groove Blog component, you can actually create blogs. They're also going to have Groove webinars, okay? And so with Groove webinars, they're going to have a live webinar version where you can conduct live webinars and also automated auto webinars. So that's in the works, and that's coming later this year. Groove Desk is a help desk, okay? So you know, again, the whole idea behind this is that you're not going to need to you know, duct tape a whole bunch of different applications and programs and need something for your calendar, and you need something for a help desk, and you need something else for webinars, and you need something else for a blog. So that's the whole idea behind this, and what makes this so great, because everything is going to work seamlessly. If you get in on you know, the ground floor right now while it's in beta, you can take advantage of incredible deal. So the other thing, as I mentioned, is Groove Calendar. So this is another thing that's going to be a built-in component. So you can schedule meetings, consultations, things like that, recurring appointments, along with a survey, as well as quizzes. So you can create quizzes and surveys and stuff like that. Now, the other thing they have, and again, this is available right now as a basically, I believe it starts at $99 a month. But if you take advantage of getting in on Groovefunnels, they'll throw that in, and you'll get that. You won't have to pay any recurring fees because it's built into the Groovefunnels if you want to get that. They also have something coming that is Groovepages for Shopify. So basically, you can create your, if you have a Shopify store, maybe you already have a Shopify store, and you don't want to use, for whatever reason you don't want to use GrooveCart, you can create pages from using Groovepages technology to build your Shopify store. So that's pretty cool. The other thing is they're going to have these marketplace. So with the affiliate marketplace, you could basically create your products and put them in this marketplace. Allows you to post your products inside of their marketplace, so you're going to get a whole bunch of exposure for you to promote your products. And then there's also the Groove marketplace, and basically what this is let's say you want to create funnels or designs for GrooveCart, themes, pages, and stuff like that that you can sell within their marketplace, all related to Groove, the Groove theme. So anything within the Groovefunnels or Groovepages, basically there'll be a marketplace for that. Another great thing that they're going to have is that makes this a great product. And again, this is all in beta. This is all in the works, but it is coming. So what they call their multi-vendor marketplace. So the idea here is basically just like a Chrome app store or the Apple App Store and things like that, where it's basically open source. So or they call it SDK, Software Developers Kit. It allows other developers to basically create apps and plugins and stuff like that to work within the Groovefunnels ecosystem, and it just basically opens it up to so much, to make it that much more powerful, because it's not limited. There's going to be other people creating extensions, creating plugins, and stuff like that. That's just going to make this really, really unique, and it's going to make this a great application to have. And again, this is for part of that project where they have SDK and API. Then their services, they're also going to have, they already have what they call GroovePay, and it's a merchant processing services. And this is really cool because they basically have really good prices. As you can see here, they said instant approvals in as little as 20 minutes, easy integration, and really low rates. So this is really good to look into. Also, let's say you have a business, but your expertise is not marketing. They're going to have a service that's basically a full service agency that specializes in Facebook, YouTube, and Google advertising. So basically you can outsource all that and know that it's, you can get great results from these guys that are the experts. They've teamed up with a marketing team that's all they do, and that's really going to be a great service. I'm not actually sure if it's in progress already. It looks like they're taking appointments and stuff like that, so that's something you can think about. They also have events, live events. They have this thing called the Marketers Cruise. They've been doing it for years, the past 15 years. In January they all get together and network, so that's something to consider. They also have the Groove Digital Academy. So this is basically included with a free version. You get access to this Groove Academy. You don't have to upgrade to get part of this, or to be involved with this. So with this, you get Groove Cart training. They do this weekly. They have Groovefunnels training, and they also have a Groove Digital Presents, where basically they have somebody, an expert in some field, come in and talk to you. So this is a great resource to continue learning on how to build and scale up your business. And then, they have the normal, the Facebook group. They have a help desk, a blog, and of course their corporate site. So that's basically what I would say. As far as review, it's kind of early to review since they are in beta, but I wanted to kind of give you an idea, an insider's look as to what you can expect. So let me show you real quick inside of Groovepages. So if you go to Groovepages, basically you can these are all sites that I have that I'm working on, but you can go in and you'll be able to create a new site. Okay, and again, when I say new site, you can start from a blank template. They also have their set of templates here. They're currently working with actually the top designer of ClickFunnels. He's the top designer, or he was, and he's now working for Groovefunnels, and he's basically creating a whole entire library of templates that are going to be populated as soon as this comes out of beta. So that is in the works, but for now you could just choose any one of these templates. You can choose to preview it, and it gives you the page, shows you what it looks like. So let's say you wanted to select one of these templates. You just choose one that you like, you click select, and basically it brings you inside of that template, and it basically is there, and you can basically just brand it yourself. You can exchange your logo, just click on the logo. You come into this side panel here where it shows you the image. They have currently an expert and I guess a simple mode, but most of the time we just usually use this, leave this on the expert mode. It gives you quick access to all the elements and stuff that you can. But if you would go to the configure section here and you wanted to swap out that image, you could simply just go to choose an image, and I'm just going to select this logo here. And then if you want to update the dimensions, you would click that here, but I'm just going to leave it as is and hit update, and there you go. So it's as simple as that. You can also just come in here and you can change your headline text or whatever. You could swap it out. You can make it basically just like a word processor. You can make it bold, you can italicize it, you can do all kinds of stuff just like you would with a normal builder, or I'm sorry, word processor. So so that's that. You can change the videos, you can change they have this thing what they call blocks. So if you go over to the blocks section, you can basically add content to it. So let's say that you wanted to add, I don't know, let's say you wanted to add something like features onto this page, some more features. So you come here and basically it's just drop and drag. So wherever you want to drag it and drop it, so there you go. Now you have features. Then again, you can this is they have two types. They have wireframes and they have designed. So this is already kind of designed. If you just wanted to kind of start from scratch, where you don't really have design, it's just basically the layout, you could just come here and say, okay, let me put this in here, and then you can basically customize this any way that you want. So again, this is really that simple to create your landing pages or affiliate pages, as well as full branded websites. So that's how easy it is to use. All right, so the other thing I wanted to show you basically is I promised that I would tell you how you could get basically a ranking system worth $9.97 that tells you how to get to the tops of Google and YouTube for free. So all you have to do in order to get that is to sign up for your free account of Groovefunnels. You don't have to upgrade for the lifetime plan or anything like that. Obviously, if that's something that makes sense for your business, I would definitely go ahead and do it. I did it. It's going to save you a ton of money. But if not, you could just sign up for the free version and you can get access to this free course. Okay, and this course is from an internet marketer named Paul Murphy, and basically this is his course right here. He's cracked the code on getting to the tops of Google and YouTube. He calls it his 24-hour ranking system. As I mentioned, it goes for $9.97. He shows you how he gets 50% conversions on 24-hour listings from both YouTube and Google, and he's got some testimonials there. And so basically this is it. So let me show you some live proof here where I can show you some of the results live that he's getting. So if we go here and we type in, for example, Kartra trial, okay, we can, if I spell it right, Kartra trial, okay. And we can see here, this is his channel, passive income, okay? And this is him as well here. So he's dominating this real estate right here. I mean, sometimes the carousel appears right up top here. It really just depends on the keyword and you know, Google experimenting. But as you can see here, he is in this. This is him as well. So he's you know, getting quite a bit of exposure here. That's Kartra trial. So let's try another one. And as you can see, this is now this isn't always accurate, but you know, these are what's considered buyer intent keywords. People typing in Kartra trial, they're ready to buy. They want to try it. They're ready to pull the trigger here. They're just looking for a little bit more validation. So let's try some more here. Let's say Demio. I mean, there's a bunch, so here he is again. So he's right here, number one. Let's see if he's in any more of these. Now that's the end of that, but he is number one. This is basically the first thing that somebody's going to click on. Now Demio versus Webinar Jam. Let's try that. Okay, here he is again with a keyword that has really good buyer intent, and again with 50% conversions. You really don't need a ton of traffic. All right, so let's try another one. Let's try webinar free trial. Here we are again and again. Let's try another one. Let's try one for Groovepages. Okay, so sometimes sometimes Google doesn't show the carousel. They'll show it like this, and as you can see, well, as you can see, this is actually me, but this isn't really fair to show you because I am logged in to my Google account, so it basically shows precedent. It'll favor my videos. So let's go ahead and view this inside of uh, an incognito window where we won't have that same issue. So let's see if we're ranking for that, or see if Paul's there. Okay, so yeah, so actually you'll see I'm not signed in, and I'm actually I'm actually ranking for this keyword because I'm using his same strategy as well. I just started using it, and these are my listings right here. So that just goes to show you those are some of my results. Let's try another one. And here's Paul. Okay, so here he is. Actually, he's dominating this whole area right here. But I can also show you inside of YouTube. And let's go ahead and type that in. And here's Paul, but guess what? This is me. This is me here. This is me here. And this is me here. But this is Paul, and this is Paul. So I just wanted to show you. Look, this works, guys, and you can have access to this training absolutely free. All you got to do is click on the link below. And yeah, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it. Just make sure you hit the notify bell so that you can be alerted of any of my new videos coming out. I put them out on a regular basis. So go ahead, take advantage of Groovepages. It is definitely going to take over the industry. They've got their site set on basically becoming the #1 web page builder, funnel builder, email marketing, pretty much everything in one full suite with Groovefunnels. So get in early while you can get it for free, or you can get it for a lifetime at a one-time price. And then also sign up for free, and you can get access to this great course for 24-hour ranking system. All right. Click on the link below, and I'll see you next time.